Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A beautiful and pleasant morning. I am honored to welcome my beloved respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here with my team of grade 7. We have got two teams. Team A is here to discuss and deliver the information about human circulatory system. Then we have Team B to exchange the ideas and valuable information on the topic the excretory system. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity to speak a few words on human circulatory system. In human beings, a transport system is needed to carry materials such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, and nutrients to different parts of the body. This transport system is called human circulatory system. In circulatory system, there are three major components: blood, heart, and blood vessels. Blood is a red colored liquid which circulates throughout our body. There are two main components of blood: a fluid component called blood plasma and solid component called blood corpuscles or blood cells. Blood plasma is a colorless liquid consisting of 90% of water. The remaining 10% consists of minerals such as sodium, potassium, and calcium, dissolved food, waste products, and some proteins. There are three types of blood cells: red blood cells RBCs, white blood cells WBCs, and platelets. Thank you. Now I'd like to call upon my friend Safia binti Yasin to speak a few words on red blood cells. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning. My name is Safia binti Yasin. I am from grade 7. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity to speak a few words on red blood cells. Red blood cells. Red blood cells are red in color. A red pigment called hemoglobin is present inside them. They are spherical in shape. Hemoglobin combines with oxygen and forms oxyhemoglobin. Once oxyhemoglobin reaches the cell, oxygen diffuses with hemoglobin and diffuses into the cell to be used by it. The RBCs are produced in our bone marrow. They have a lifespan of only a few days. Now I would like to call my friend Yumna to speak a few words on WBCs. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you, Safia. My name is Yumna Noor. I'm extremely pleasured to speak a few words on white blood cells. White blood cells are colorless cells. They help our body to fight diseases and infection. Hence, they increase in number when a person suffers from some diseases. Some white blood cells can eat up the germs such as bacteria that causes infection. WBCs show amoeba-like movement that help them to reach the site of infection through the walls of blood vessels. They are much smaller in number than red blood cells. Thank you, Jazakallah. Now I would like to call my friend Safia Sultana to speak a few words on platelets. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you, Yumna. My name is Safia Sultana. I'm studying in grade 7. It is my pleasure to speak few words on platelets. Platelets are the smallest blood cells present inside our body. Their main function is to help in blood clotting. You must have noticed that the blood stops coming out of the wound. After a few minutes, it is because of platelets. Thus, platelets prevent blood loss. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Mariam with another group of friends to share information regarding functions of blood and blood vessels. Now, I'd like to call upon Arfa Fatima to proceed with functions of blood. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Alfa Fatima. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity to speak few points on functions of blood. Functions of blood. It transfers the digested food from small intestine to the different cells of the body. It transfers the waste products to the kidneys for their removal. It transfers the oxygen to the different cells of the body. It transfers the carbon dioxide to the different cells of the body to the lungs. It helps in regulating the body temperature. It protects the body from infection. Thank you. Now I would like to call Mahin to speak few words on blood vessels.
Thank you, Alfa. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mehreen Sada. I am from grade 7. I am extremely glad to speak a few words on the topic blood vessels. Blood vessels. The blood in a body flows through vessels or tubes called blood vessels. All the blood vessels are connected to the heart. There are three kinds of blood vessels present in our circulatory system: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries. These blood vessels carry oxygenated, oxygen-rich blood from heart to different parts of the body. The pulmonary artery is an exception as it carries deoxygenated blood. Arteries have thick elastic wall this helps in sustaining the pressure with which the blood is pumped from the heart. They lie deep inside the skin and hence they are not seen easily. Jazakallah khair. Now I am glad to call upon my friend Mariam to complete the topic blood vessels.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to one and all present here. First of all, thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'd like to speak a few words on veins and capillaries. Veins. These blood vessels carry the oxygenated blood, which is carbon dioxide rich blood from the different parts of the body to the heart. The pulmonary vein is the only vein which carries oxygenated blood, which is oxygen rich blood. Veins have valves in them, which prevent movement of blood which allow the movement of blood in only one direction. Valves prevent backflow of blood. The greenish blue lines which you can see just below your skin of your hands and legs are the veins. Capillaries. These blood vessels connect. They are extremely thin blood vessels which connect arteries and veins. They are also responsible for digested soluble food, absorption of oxygen, and waste products produced in the body. The various dissolved substances pass into body cells through thin walls of capillaries. The carbon dioxide formed in the body cells enter into blood through thin walls of capillaries. Jazakallahu khair. Now I'd like to call upon my friend Kinza to speak a few words on human heart.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you, my dear friend Mariam. My name is Kinza Kazim. I am from grade 7. First of all, thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself and speak few words on the topic human heart. The human heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist and weighs around 250 to 350 grams in a healthy adult individual. It pumps blood to all the parts of the body. The heart is located in the center of the chest cavity and tilted slightly towards left. It is well protected within the ribcage. The heart is made up of special muscles called cardiac muscles. It beats 60 to 80 times per minute. Put your hand on your chest towards the left to feel your heartbeats. Jazakallahu khair. I call upon my friend Hannah to continue the topic.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hannah Fatima. I am studying in grade 7. I am immensely pleased to speak a few words on the topic functioning of human heart. The human heart is divided into 4 chambers. These chambers are separated by a muscular wall called septum. The upper 2 chambers are called auricles or atria and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. The right auricle is connected to the right ventricle and the left auricle is connected to the left ventricle through small opening called valves. These cup-shaped valves allow the flow of blood in one direction only, that is from auricles to ventricles and not back into auricles. The right side of the heart contains deoxygenated blood received from different parts of the body. The deoxygenated blood is pumped to the lungs. In lungs, the blood gets rid of carbon dioxide and takes in oxygen from the air inhaled into them. This oxygen-rich blood is received by the left side of the heart from the lungs and is pumped to different parts of the body. Now I'd like to call upon my friend Zara to continue the topic.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Aishat Zara Ahmadi and I am from grade 7. I am immensely pleased to speak a few words on the topic functioning of the human heart. When the heart relaxes, the right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from the different parts of the body through veins and reaches the heart in the right auricle. Deoxygenated blood is pumped out from the right ventricle through the pulmonary arteries and taken to the lungs for oxygenation. The left auricle at the same time receives oxygenated blood from lungs through the pulmonary vein. The blood from auricles move to the respective ventricles through the valves. Once the ventricles are filled with blood, the valves will close. When the heart contracts, oxygenated blood from the left ventricle is pumped to the different parts of the body through the aorta. The aorta is the largest blood vessel in our body. This is how the cardiac cycle continues. During each cardiac cycle, blood flows twice through the heart. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair.
Before we could start with our topic, the excretory system, time for a break. Let's have a few riddles for you all. What can you hold in your right hand but never in your left hand? I repeat the question. What can you hold in your right hand but never in your left hand?
Your left elbow. It's left hand.
The correct answer is your left hand.
I have a neck but no head. I have two arms but no hands. What am I? I repeat. I have a neck but no head. I have two arms but no hands. What am I? That's the right answer. It is shirt.
I can be good, but I can be bad. You will find me wherever you go. What am I? I repeat the question. I can be good, but I can be bad. You will find me wherever you go. What am I?
Bacteria.
It is correct. The answer is bacteria.
What has many rings but no fingers? I repeat. What has many rings but no fingers? What has many rings but no fingers? The answer is a phone.
I am a ball that can be rolled but never bounced or thrown. What am I? I repeat the question. I am a ball that can be rolled but never bounced or thrown. What am I? I am a ball that can be rolled but never bounced or thrown. What am I? The correct answer is the eyeball.
I'm hard to create, but I can't be destroyed. I can only change forms. What am I? I repeat, I am hard to create, but I can't be destroyed. I can only change forms. What am I? Water.
Wrong. Repeat the question.
Wrong.
Hope you all enjoyed.
Be to exchange the ideas and valuable information on topic excretory system.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Qayyum. I'm glad to speak on topic excretion. Excretion is the process of removal of metabolic waste from the body. These waste are generated as a result of various life-sustaining activities such as respiration and digestion taking place inside our body. For example, carbon dioxide is a waste product produced during respiration. The undigested food, sweat, and urea are the other examples of waste product produced in the body. Thank you. Now I like to call my friend Humaid.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Umaid Ahmed. As my friend Khayyum explained about the process of excretion, I am going to continue the process of excretion. These, these waste, if accumulated in the body for a longer time, becomes harmful for the body. Thus, removal of these waste is extremely important for maintaining a healthy body. Jazakallah khair. Now, I will like to call my friend Rabani to explain the excretion process in animals.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rabbani. As my friend said, who made about excretion. So my topic is excretion in animals. Different animals have different mechanisms of excretion. Single cell organisms such as amoeba, which are aquatic in nature, excrete waste by the process of diffusion. Jazakallah khair. Now I would like to call Muhammad Ghaus.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ghaus. As my friend Rabbani explained about excretion, I am going to explain about excretion in animals. In fishes, the excretion takes place through the gills and kidneys. The waste of aquatic organism is mainly in the form of ammonia. The organism that remove waste in the form of ammoniotic organisms. Some other organisms such as insects, reptiles, and birds. Jazakallah khair. My friend my friend Noor ibn Hussein will continue as excretion in humans.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Noor ibn Hussein and my friend.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sayyid Rayan Rakesh.
I am glad to share information on excretion in humans. In humans, different forms of waste products are eliminated from the body by different mechanisms. Digestion. It is a process by which solid undigested food products along with some other waste products formed in digestion process are removed from the body. They are collected in the large intestine and then expelled to anus in the form of feces.
Exhalation. It is a process in which gaseous waste such as carbon dioxide and excess water vapor are exhaled to the lungs.
Sweating. It helps to expel water, small amount of urea and salts to sweat glands present in the skin. These are excreted in the form of sweat. Sweating also helps in cooling our body when the temperature is high.
Excretion. It is a process of eliminating toxic nitrogenous waste from the body. Thank you. Now I would like to call my friend Raziullah to continue the topic.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Rasulullah. As my friend Nu and Danish explained you about excretion in humans, I'm going to explain you about excretory system of human beings. In human beings, it is carried out mainly by the urinary system. The waste is removed from our body in the form of urine. About 95% of urine is water, and the rest of the urine contains urea 2.5% and other nitrogenous waste 2.5%. As a normal adult human being excretes about 1.5 to 2 liters of urine per day, and normal adult human being excretes about 1.5 to 2 liter of urine per day. The urine is temporarily stored in the urinary bladder, which is emptied once it gets filled. Various organs form excretory system of human beings. Your kidney, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Thank you. Now I would like to call Ibrahim to explain kidney.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Syed Mahmoud Ibrahim, studying in grade 7. As my friend Razullah explained about excretion in humans, I am going to explain about kidneys. Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs. They are reddish brown in color. They are located on the either side of the vertebral column just above the waist. They are reddish brown in color. Each kidney consists of a large number of coiled tubes called nephrons. Nephrons are the functional unit of kidneys. They help forming urine. Now my friend Simar will explain. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mohammad Simal Shari. I am studying in grade 7. As my friend Ibrahim told a few lines about kidneys, I am going to continue about ureters and urinary bladder. Ureters are a pair of Ureters are a pair of tube-like structures that connect the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a large elastic muscular bag-like organ that helps in storing liquid waste in the form of urine temporarily. Thank you. Now my friend Abdul Rahim will continue about urethra.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Rahim. Thank you, Simal, for explaining about ureters and urinary bladder. I'm going to explain about urethra. Urethra is connected to the urinary bladder on one side. On the other side, it opens to a small opening which helps in passing out urine. Just thank you. Now I would like to call Abdullah to talk about nephrons.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdullah bin Muhammad. As my friend Abdul Rahim explained you about the urethra, now I am going to explain you about nephrons. Nephrons are the filtering units of the urinary system, which filter out excess salts, urea, and water from the blood. When the blood passes through the kidneys, that is through the nephrons, it gets cleaned and is transported to different parts of the body. Glucose, amino acids, and salts are reabsorbed in the kidney. Jazakallah khair. Next, my friend Mashatullah will continue on the topic.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mashidullah. As my friend Abdullah explained about nephrons, now I am gonna continue with dialysis. In the case of damaged kidneys, an artificial kidney or a dialyzing machine is used to maintain the normal level of water and minerals and to clean the blood from the metabolic wastes. This process is called dialysis. Jazakallah.
Hope you found the topic interesting. I hope you all had a great time. First and foremost, I would like to extend my gratitude to our principal ma'am for arranging the seminar. Now, I would like to thank our coordinators for motivation and inspiring us. A special thanks to my beloved teachers for their support and encouragement. Now, we express our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved class teacher for her guidance and hard work in making this event a successful one. Last but not the least, I extend my thanks to my dear friends for their efforts and engagement. Jazakallahu khair.